Hi guys, Rachel here from the Confused Mom. Welcome to my channel, and today I am sharing my February themed baby monthly milestone photos and ideas for you guys. This video has a blog post too with links to outfit ideas and props and so much more, so be sure to check that out after this video. And it is part of a larger mini series all about monthly baby milestone photos where I've covered things like lighting your photos, editing them, and other tips for taking photos of a baby. So I will leave a link to that whole playlist in the description box as well. And February is definitely one of my favorite months. This was definitely when I got super into taking baby photos with my daughter. These are some of my favorite. She actually fit in the outfit I got her to a year, and so when she finally outgrew that was super sad. But shooting baby boy was just as fun, and my toddler actually got to help out with setting up the photo shoot. We went ahead and made these cherry pies. I shared about these in my past video, all about tips for preparing a toddler for a new baby, and laid them around the setup. We had so much fun eating them afterwards and making them together. It was a really great way to incorporate her, so that way when we are showing off baby milestone photos, our toddler has taken a ton of pride in saying, I helped with that, I did that. Beyond that though, you can always find some super awesome props at like the dollar store and just laying those around. And of course there's tons of adorable sayings, which I will throw up here so you guys can go ahead, take a screenshot, refer back to it for later, and you guys are setting up your own. And this is how our photos came out. I would love to see your photos. Tag me on Instagram at The Confused Mom. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments below.